daughter now. They don't want the boy itself. Small daughter now. Then behind the boy, what the shilling shit from? See blood for the boy head. Now small doctor, no need to that. No, small doctor. 6 months doctor, now be that boy we wear black.
About town threatening policemen.
The popular artist was paraded alongside 3 others who were in his car when he pulled a gun at police officers along Agege Motor Road.
About midday, I suddenly heard a disturbing seat rep from one of my operatives. It was alleged that some unknown young men, 4 of them, in an unregistered green color SUV, Honda SUV, had brought out a weapon somewhere and had threatened a policeman. Now, if he does not leave the road, they will fire him. Believing that they were armed robbers, I set out my men and fortunately, the DPO in charge of Shogunle Police Division and her men were able to intercept the vehicle, and the men were arrested. They were arrested in possession of a functional rifle with a cartridge and some of their personal items.
Small daughter now. They don't want the boy itself. Small daughter now. Then behind the boy,
What's in that penalty?